This is Brian's 840. It's April 4th. No, he's got to be cold. We finally got some rain out here. I think it got me something really good up here. We'll see. Oh, yes. Yes. Yeah, maybe. Well, cool. Found a couple tips, a couple tools. Find anything else, I'll get it all together and show it to you guys. Later. It's April 4th again. Brian's 840. Found this tip. First walked in, just found that point just about 5 minutes ago. I was over there on the other side. My cousin was walking this side. And he come up on something here. Let's see what it is. Damn. That thing would have been huge. Shit, we find something else, we'll get back to you. This is cleaned up. April 4th. Brian's 840. Little red one. Pretty nice one. Tip. Tool. Little point Chris found. Oh, sucker would have been huge. Another one he found today we didn't get on film. He ran up a tributary in the creek and found this sitting there. This is one that he found a couple days ago. Brought over. Nice little Dixon. Colorful. The tip that he found this morning. Bunch of big tools today. Shit, we didn't do half bad. Alright, I'll get this together and get it on there. Later.